Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we got a sling bag from the company Aer, as you can see, and this is straight out the packaging. So this is what it comes with. Like, thank you note. Set to the side. It comes with a cool little sticker. We'll just put that right there. And it comes with like this newspaper thing. I guess it's just advertisement for their stuff. We'll just go by that real quick, but it's basically the new collection that they dropped, which is called, I think, the City Collection. And that's, if you're wondering about the date, that's the date right there. I don't know if you can read that, but yeah, the bag I got here is the City Sling 2. So this is the version 2 that they recently came out with. And yeah, this is my first product from Air, my first basically sling that I'm gonna be rocking. And yeah, let's just take it out the bag. Let's see how it feels, everything. Put that to the side, stop making noise. And okay, well, this is one of the tags right here. Yeah, as you can see, it's the Aer City Sling 2. These are all the main features they want to, I guess, put there. If you guys want to see that, pause the video. And this will run you, this is kind of pricey, but they do use premium materials, so it's around $89. And yeah, they also use that type of ballistic fabric stuff. And this is another tag, so let's just take this one out first. Where's this thing? Yeah, take one of those things where, yeah. And then we also have this one, which is just like a little rubberish feeling. As you can see, designed in San Francisco. Take this one out. This is simple enough. It's pretty cool. Alright, and yes, as I said earlier, this is the second version. So they updated from the first version. I didn't have the first version, but I did want to get it. But they were always sold out, so I personally was never on it like that in order for me to get the first version. But once I realized they were gonna release the second version, I was like, you know what, let's pull the trigger on the second version, because why not? And seeing from other videos of what the big differences are is that these are aluminum, these are no longer plastic, and the belt, that this is instead of being like a big old buckle, this is a magnetic belt, which, whoa, that is really strong. I didn't think it was gonna be that strong compared to, because I was looking at other videos unboxing this stuff, and they're talking about how this is a lot better. And well, yeah, and how satisfying it is, and it kind of is. It's pretty strong, as you can see. Even like, just even there, it just clicks really well. Nice and secure. They don't have that many straps now. It's just like this, the basic thing where it all stays nice and tidy together. And another feature is, I guess you can hide the straps now too. So let me see if I can do that really quickly. See how long it takes an average person to put this away. And let's do the other side. Yeah, I also thought this was cool too, because I'm like, what if I don't really like it as a sling bag? I can always just rock it as a, a pouch. This is why it has a strap, because the first version doesn't have a strap. This one does. So I'm guessing they added a strap because you can hide it. But yeah, this is how it looks, I guess, as a pouch. It hides pretty well. Of course, it has these still kind of stick out, but that doesn't really matter. And yeah, let's get into the inside. Let me take this out real quick though. This on there. Oh, there you go. And then oh yeah, the sides right here, these buckles, they can like help you expand the bag. My bad. They can help you extend the bag, or make it more compact. You want it more squished in. But for now, we're gonna be taking it all the way out so you can get inside the bag. Talk about the bag and stuff. So as I said before, it does have really premium materials. I forgot the actual name of it. It has 1680D corridor ballistic nylon, and it has this. I think this might be a YKK zipper. Yeah, this is a fit. Yeah, this right here is a fit lock. That's the proper name of it. Yeah, let's just get into the inside. So the inside, this is of course it has like this waterproof sealing thing, and this thing in the tab in the front, so you can like hide the zipper, or just in case the zipper doesn't close all the way. But yeah, the stickers, zipper is pretty hard to pull, but that's just because of the materials that it has in the front. And this is it. There's a tag right here. Don't know if you can see that. It just states the Aer City Sling and the fabrics they used. And this is the key fob thing, as you can see there. You put your keys in there so they won't go anywhere. You won't lose them. Tie this up. Okay, moving on to the back pocket. Right here, this pocket's a bit closer to your chest or back, and you see it's just pretty shallow, flat pocket because it's supposed to just hold your phone or like a wallet or something. So for instance, this is my wallet. So I'll just you just throw that in there, and you probably put your phone in as well too, depending how thick or big your wallet is. And then moving on to like the main compartment right here. Main compartment has two zippers, so you can close it from either side, open from either side. And let's throw this out. And yeah, as you can see, okay, there's some more branding right there. That's really the only branding it has. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have any outside branding. Oh, there's actually a tag right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there, but it's very hidden. I barely even found it. So that is that. Just very shallow pocket with a zipper. Another just regular pocket. And then you see it's just a little braided cable with a zipper on there. And it's just regular shadow pocket with nothing else. And then in the back, let's flip this like this so you guys can see more. This is another just pocket with a little bit of elastic, and these two more like two elastic pockets, so you can put like more stuff in there, stretchable. Very everything quality made, and it's basically the whole bag. It's nothing too fancy, or it's just a regular sling bag to put stuff inside. And yeah, let me fill in some stuff that I might put in there when I carry stuff, my everyday carry. So I'm back. I brought some of the stuff that I might fit in there. I actually want to see if it fits a Nintendo Switch, cause why not? Let me just clean this real quick, cause it's pretty dusty. But yeah, I just want to see if it fits a Nintendo Switch. Just to see if it does. And oh yeah, it does. Fits a Nintendo Switch pretty perfectly. Still some room in there too and everything. Let me see. I have a case for my Nintendo Switch. Let me see if that would actually fit with the case. With the case, it is a bit more. It's a tighter fit. Yeah, it's a bit of a more tighter fit, but it fits. It's just a tight fit. But I probably wouldn't put it in the case if I put it in the bag, just because it's too tight. But as you can see there, let me put this away real quick. As you can see that it fits it like a lot better just by itself. Just pretty much the whole size. I don't know if it'll fit behind this compartment. I don't think it wouldn't, but I mean, if you really wanted to, you probably just put this here. But you can see that in the video. I'm gonna put it on this side, and then just put the controllers to the side, and you have like a lot more stuff. But I didn't think it would fit the Nintendo Switch, but yeah, it fits. It's pretty cool to know that. So all the people who wanted to see if it fits Nintendo Switch, there's your answer. And okay, so I'll put my everyday carry. I put my phone inside there. I'll probably put my wallet in here. I do use eye drops because I have wear contacts, so I'll probably put that there. I'll probably put a pen there. Though it probably wouldn't be smart to have a pen like this, just because it might click on accident right inside all your bags, so you might want to get just like regular pen that just has a top to cover. My AirPods, put these, you can see, hopefully put these right there. Put that down, and then just a wireless battery bank that, for my phone, a charger. It's not wireless, it's just a regular power bank What else? Oh, I have a coin pouch, so I'll probably just, put that there. Yeah, you can see I think it could fit a lot more stuff. I don't know what else to put there. I have some gum right here, so if you wanted to put some gum, put there though. This is pretty big. I'll probably buy like a smaller pack of gum. And oh, I do wear glasses, so I can't pair. Oh, I can't put this thing to clean glasses there. But as you can see, it fits a good amount of stuff. I mean, it fit a Nintendo Switch. That's how basically wide it is compared to the bag. It's a bit more wider. Let's see if the Nintendo Switch fits with all this stuff in here. Oh yeah, it does. You might want to move this to this side, just because of the power bank. But yeah, you can fit a whole Nintendo Switch in there, and probably more. I do have a different type of dock. Let me see here. This is the dock that I do use, and it's the standard dock. I just took it apart and put it in here. So it's just the shell, just a different shell, but it's still the dock that it came with originally. I just exchanged the shell because I didn't really care about having the big one. So like even the dock, having a dock would fit there. You know, the HDMI cable and the power source should easily fit in there too. So if you want, you can put the whole Nintendo Switch system in there. It still looks pretty good, and then you can, as stated earlier, oh my bad, you can pull these to the side, pull this one to the side, make it more compact, convenient. As you can see, it has the straps, and then again, you can hide the straps if you really wanted to. Put the belt system. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. If you guys have any questions about it or anything like that, please let me know. Put it down in the comments. Try to answer every question I see. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.